Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this error. Something went wrong, try again in Play Store. So if you are facing the same issue, I will show you how to fix this. So first of all, you just have to make sure that your mobile data or Wi-Fi is turned on, and then you have to go in your mobile settings and then scroll down a little bit and tap on this app management, and in app management you have to go for this app list, and in the search bar you have to search for this Google Play Store and just tap on it, and now tap on this storage and cache, and you just have to tap on this clear cache and tap on this clear storage as well, and you just have to tap on this force stop as well, and now just go for this permissions and make sure to allow all the permissions. Like as you can see, my permissions already allowed just this one, so I'm going to allow this one as well. And now if you go back to your settings and if you tap on this SIM and network settings, and if you go for this mobile data settings, scroll down a little bit and you will see this option access point name. Just tap on this access point name and you just have to tap on these three dots and tap on this reset to default, and after doing all these process, no data will be deleted on your mobile. And now if you open your Play Store, hopefully the problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.